Krishna says in the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Evang parampara praptam imang rajarsayo vidu. Bhagavad Gita was spoken by Krishna millions of years ago to the sun god. Aham vivashyati proktam abhayam. Imang vivashyati proktam vivasyan manavi praham manuikha. This is the parampara. This Bhagavad system or Vedic system is not research work. It is not research work. Nowadays, it is a fashion that, just like the theosophists, they are searching out God. Since the beginning, they are searching out, and so many leaders came and gone, but they are searching out. And they will go on searching out for life together. But it is not a thing to be searched out. It is not ordinary thing, not material thing. Athapite deva padambujadayam prasada leshanu grihita evai janati tattvam nacharna ekopi chirang vichinna. Chirang vichinna, forever, millions of years. If you speculate to understand what is God, it is not possible. It is not a subject matter of speculative knowledge. No. It is to be received through the right source, deductive process, not inductive process. Because our senses are limited. We cannot have any perfect idea on account of our senses being limited. We cannot see. So there are so many examples we have talked. This knowledge is not the exact word used in Sanskrit. There are two ways, aroha pantha, avaroha. Aroha pantha means to know something by your dint of knowledge, ascending process. Ascending process. Just like these people are trying to know the moon planet, the Venus planet, or other planets, they are going ascending by aeroplane and to knowing. But they are doing it for the last 20 years. They do not know what is the actual position of the moon planet. That is not known. They are coming, going, or whether they have gone, that they know. But from the situation, it is understood they are not going. Maybe some other planet they are going. That is my opinion. Because the description of the moon planet does not tally. We have got in the Srimad Bhagavatam, this moon planet is one of the heavenly planets. There, very high class of demigods, they live. Or one who is elevated to the moon planet, he is living there for 10,000 of years. What kind of 10,000 of years? In the moon planet, one day equal to our 6 months. Such months, year, and 10,000 of years. That is the duration of life in the moon planet. Those who are karmakandiya perform ritualistic ceremonies very nicely. They are promoted to the moon planet. And there are other planets also. This is Saraloka. There are 7 planetary systems upwards and 7 planetary systems downward. Now we are living in the Bhuloka, middle. Then above this there is Bhuvaloka, above this there is Saraloka, above this is Janaloka, Mahaloka, Tapoloka, Brahmaloka. So, this Araha, you cannot go to the Brahmaloka, although there is Shastra, or you cannot go to the sun planet also, you are seeing every day, and go there, but you have no right. You cannot go. Therefore, this process that I shall go by my strength, I shall know by dint of my own knowledge, research work, these are all rascal. It is not possible. So what to speak of understanding God? You cannot understand even what is in your presence, the material world, and the spiritual is beyond the sky. Parastasmatu bhava anna. There is another sky. You have no estimation of this sky. Not only this sky, even in the material world, this is one universe. What sky we see, that is of one universe. But there are innumerable universes. That is material world. And beyond that there is spiritual sky. Then the spiritual world begins. There are also planets, Vaikuntha planets. And above these Vaikuntha planets, there is Krishna Loka. There is Krishna's abode. Chintamani, Prakara Sadmasu, Kalpa Vritkala Ka Vritishu. So, you cannot understand Krishna or God or his abode by the speculative ascending process. That is not possible. You have to inquire from. Therefore, Parikshit Maharaj inquired from Sukadeva Goswami, what is my duty? Now I am going to die. He was cursed by a Brahmin boy to die within 7 days.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka duka je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate ah